Today we're going to replace this part on my 2013 F-150 Raptor. This is a door check. It goes inside the door jamb to keep your door from overextending, I guess. My passenger side one's broken. I do see where there's a lot of videos on how to do the driver's side of these, but really nothing on the passenger side. So that's why I figured I'd make a video on it. These are a universal part. See there where it says FR? That would be front right. And if you flip it over, it says FL. So depending on which way you put it in is which side it goes on. This is the part number, Ford part number for it. Next, I'll show you what tools you need. All of this can be done with a socket set. You're going to need an 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a 13mm socket. First step, disconnect your battery. That's an 8mm if you have stock cables. Alright, you'll need to remove the fuse panel, which is this right here. And then up inside of this kick panel, there is a black box right there. You can see the silver bolt on the right side, and there's one on the left side. Those are both 8mm. That has to come off. And once that box is out of the way, there's a rubber boot right back here with that little crossbar thing running through it. Let's see if I can get that light up in there a little better. Right there. So that's got to come down. When you take that box out, by the way, there's that 2 bolts. You have to take the one out on the left-hand side all the way out, and then it slides out, so you don't have to take both bolts all the way out. I'm not going to be able to film this, but I'm going to reach up in there and move that boot out of the way. Okay, that boot, I just kind of slid it back so I can get my hand behind it. Over in the door jamb, you've got a 10mm bolt here, and then some 13mm nuts, and those just need to be removed. Okay, all the nuts and stuff are off. It is definitely broken. You can see it's flip-flopping all over the place. Next, I'm going to reach up inside that kick panel over here and pull that out. Like I say, I'm not going to be able to film that, but I'll come back in when I get it out. So here's the destroyed part. It's not supposed to do that. All right, we're going to put the new one in now. Orientation-wise, we need to be front right. Then I'll shove it through that hole and bring it out over here. Okay. Then your bolts, just pull it right through there. And we'll put a couple nuts on it. Everything's just kind of there for the moment. This has Loctite on it. I put some blue Loctite back on there, and I'm just gonna button everything up. Next step, replace the boot. I already did that, just showing you. And then the step after that is to put that box back where it was. Box is back in position. Now we just need to replace this fuse panel piece. Fuse panel cover is back in place. We just need to connect the battery. And we will be all done. Here's a quick look at that old part. You can see it was just destroyed. So it definitely needed a new one. So that's how you replace a door check on the passenger side of a 2013 F-150. Thanks for watching.